Happy Thursday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple of deep breaths. Join me, releasing the energy, moving it around, release some tension if you have any. I've been doing good so far. I've been taking my naps when I feel like it's nap time. So I just woke up from a nap. So I'm feeling pretty good. Wanted to get in on recording, especially because it's the 4th of July week. So, you know, the fireworks have been going on and off. And I wanted to make sure I got in the segment before it gets really wild today. All right, let's breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Woo! All right, go ahead and comment down below. Hashtag your mood. Let me know how you're feeling. I'm still feeling rested. And I'm project driven, purpose driven. Let's give it. I'm purpose driven. Okay. We are continuing our series of Dean Del Sesto, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. Shift Your Thinking, that is. Remember, Shift Your Thinking is a bonus series on our channel, which is our feature show, Ready, Set, Real Estate. And you definitely can order the snapback, the dress. I am wearing one of the dresses today. You can order that at lasuperagent.com. Remember, anything you invest in me, a portion of those proceeds goes to support Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, where we teach and empower youth ages 11 and up with real estate literacy, terms, concepts, and careers. Okay? And additionally, if you're new to me, welcome. My name is Lisa Puerto, also known as Super Agent. I'm an active licensed California real estate professional, public educator, professional agent trainer, creator, and founder of many cool things that you can learn more about at lasuperagent.com. Make sure you're subscribed to the show on radio podcasts everywhere. We continually are growing. Love what's happening over there. Again, shout out to our listening audience out in France. I got a 5% of my demographic is in France, so that's super awesome to me. So bonjour. And first and foremost, thank you to my family and friends for supporting my wild idea. Again, without you, there is no me. I love you wholeheartedly. Thank you. All right, I don't really want to rename today's segment because I really like this title that the author is using. And so we're going to caption episode 191 called Rawthenticity. Isn't that one a good one? That's a perfect one. Rawthenticity, episode 191. That means we're now 9 episodes away from 200 on our personal development series. You guys have stuck it out. Amazing. He says, the best city to live in is authenticity. Population? Not enough. I get it. Not enough authentic people walking around here. He says, whoever that amazing person was who thought of the buzz phrase, keep it real, should have won the Pulitzer Prize. He says, shared in the right context, these 3 words are a driver for growth unlike any other. Drop in the comments below, keep it real. He says, although unpleasant for the time leading up to and at the moment, sharing truths with trusted others about our fears, problems, addictions, and concerns can be healing without the other offering up a single word of advice. He says, just the process of confessing the hard issues in our lives to trusted others has an uncanny ability to break the stronghold they have on us. And it clears our minds to think and talk through the issues with greater clarity with others. He says, I once shared a fear I'd been struggling with for most of my life. In fact, I was so ashamed of it, I had never told a single person, and I honestly never thought of sharing it with my wife, he says. It was one of those she'll certainly lose respect for me if I tell her moments, and I thought, once it's out for good. Let's build there right quick. You ever have one of those moments where you've held back from sharing with somebody because you were already factoring in the judgment that would be projected on you? It's funny because a lot of my clients and people that I connect with, they open up to me, and I wholeheartedly appreciate you guys for that, because you share things with me as it relates to what's going on in your life that's impacting real estate. And I always say this: every life event triggers a real estate need. That's job loss, death, marriage, divorce, new baby, job relocation, retirement. So when you're going through life events, that requires you to open up and share how that's impacting your finances, how that's going to impact your future, your housing, your future plans. And I come across that all the time. He says, the strange thing is, not only was it feeling for me beyond my expectations, but my wife shared that she felt I was actually showing great strength and character by sharing it with her. There's something relieving that happens. He says, and I got the added value of her unique way of supporting, praying, and encouraging me during the process of restoration. He says, everyone has their areas of breakdown in life. Everyone. For us to think it unsafe is to share. Let me read that again. For us to think it unsafe to share is bigger than any breakdown we could ever have by becoming vulnerable with trusted others. All right. This was a good one. Timely on this 4th of July. Speaking of Independence Day, let's liberate ourselves. Let's liberate ourselves with releasing something we may have bottled up. One thing, and identify that trusted person. I tend to go into my journals. If you don't have that, at least, we should have one person that we can share with no judgment, to release that, because we're having this human experience. We're no man's island. We're not alone here. All right, that's my time. Love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.